Meta keeps on leveling its game up, and it's hard to keep up. Meta is reportedly planning to train a new model that it hopes will be as powerful as OpenAI's latest and greatest chatbot. But wait, wasn't GPT-4 undefeatable? Well, no one is so sure anymore. Meta AI says it wants to change it all. Facebook owner's Meta is working on an artificial intelligence system that it hopes will be more powerful than GPT-4, the large language model developed by OpenAI that powers ChatGPT+. If successful, that could add much more competition to the world of generative AI chatbots and potentially bring a host of serious problems along with it. According to sources, Meta aims to launch its new AI model in 2024. The company reportedly wants the new model to be several times more powerful than Llama 2. The AI tool it launched as recently as July 2023. Meta plans for the forthcoming AI system to help other companies to build services that produce sophisticated text, analysis, and other input. The Wall Street Journal claims training for the AI will begin in early 2024, with an official release expected at some point after Google launches its own large language model, dubbed Gemini. Specifically, Meta has been buying more NVIDIA H100 AI training chips and is beefing up its infrastructure to do it entirely in-house. Researchers said it is expected to rank second in the world next year regarding its number of H100s. As we reported last year, Meta has already built the world's largest AI supercomputer, with 760 NVIDIA DGX systems, powered by a total of 6,080 A100 GPUs. The A100 is the predecessor to the even more powerful H100. For the first time thanks to Meta, any researcher who wishes to analyze a fully trained large language model can now do so. Many people who are concerned about how small teams working behind closed doors develop this potent technology have welcomed the revelation. According to several sources, the plans for the new AI model are an attempt by CEO Mark Zuckerberg to reassert the company as a major force in AI after falling behind the competition. Competition in the field of generative AI has also intensified, with a recent report claiming that Apple is spending millions of dollars a day to perfect its Ajax AI model. Zuckerberg is reportedly pushing for the new model to be open sourced and made free for companies to build AI-powered tools, similar to Meta's previous AI offerings. However, the WSJ report notes that this approach could have potential downsides, including risk around using copyrighted information, spreading misinformation, etc. The Meta CEO will be part of an artificial intelligence forum hosted by US Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer, including other tech leaders such as Tesla CEO Elon Musk, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, and Google CEO Sundar Pichai. Meta's quest for superior AI capabilities. Meta has strategically acquired AI training chips, particularly the NVIDIA H100 AI training chip, to bolster its AI infrastructure. By doing so, the company aims to reduce its reliance on external cloud platforms like Microsoft's Azure for training its AI models. This strategic shift highlights Meta's commitment to harnessing cutting-edge technology and in-house resources to achieve its AI objectives. Training the next-generation chatbot. Meta's ambitious project involves training a new large language model, which is expected to commence early in 2024. This new model is poised to be a significant advancement in AI technology and aims to rival OpenAI's GPT-4. The company's CEO, Mark Zuckerberg, has been an advocate for making this AI model accessible to companies for creating AI tools, much like its predecessor, which was available for free. Training a new AI model. The AI will reportedly be primarily aimed at businesses as a tool for producing text and analysis, similar to ChatGPT Enterprise. Training for the new large language model will start early in 2024. According to the journal, the new AI model is expected to be ready next year, and is expected to be several times more powerful than Llama 2, which was released this year to compete with ChatGPT and Bard. According to Pinal, many of us have been university researchers. In terms of the capacity to create these models, we are aware of the divide between universities and industry. It was obvious that researchers should have access to this one. She hopes that people will carefully review their work, critique it, and add to it. She claims that when more people are involved, breakthroughs happen more quickly. OPT is the same size as GPT-3 and has 175 billion parameters, the adjustments made to a neural network's value during training. According to Pinal, this was planned. The OPT system was created to be equally accurate and hazardous as GPT-3. GPT-3 is now offered by OpenAI as a paid service, but neither the model nor its source code are available. The goal, according to Panau, was to give scholars a comparable language model to analyze. As it has been stated before, Llama 2 was trained on 40% more data compared to Llama 1, and Meta says it outperformed open-source chat models on most benchmarks. Unlike its predecessor, Llama 2 can be integrated into commercial products. It is also available in a variety of models, ranging in size from 7 to 70 billion parameters, and is trained on 2 trillion tokens with a context length of 4,096. Meta has increasingly shifted its focus towards AI, as its efforts at championing the metaverse has floundered. However, it is challenging to keep up with competitors like OpenAI and Microsoft. Internal memos from last year, obtained by Reuters, revealed that the company acknowledged a significant gap in AI research and investment. Since the launch of OpenAI's ChatGPT last year, businesses and enterprises have been drawn to the emerging generative AI market to acquire new capabilities and enhance their business processes. Some experts have warned that an open-source approach might have some notable drawbacks. Its easy access could put a potentially very powerful tool into the wrong hands, which may result in a market uptick in viral disinformation and other damaging results. As well as that, questions will no doubt be asked about where Meta sources the data it uses to train its AI model. Various rivals have landed themselves in hot water over allegedly plagiarizing artistic content and written materials in order to improve their AI's outputs. At the same time, Google has effectively declared that everything on the internet is fair game for its Google Bard AI. Meta does not have the best reputation for protecting user privacy, given the near-constant scandals Facebook finds itself embroiled in, and that might alarm people who fear handing over their data to Meta's AI efforts. That goal feels like a natural extension of the rumored generative AI features Meta has already worked on. A June leak claimed there was an Instagram chatbot with 30 personalities being tested, which sounds a lot like unannounced AI personas the company is said to be launching this month. Meta has reportedly dealt with heavy AI researcher turnover over computing resources split between multiple LLM projects this year. It also faces heavy competition in the generative AI space. OpenAI said in April that it wasn't training a GPT-5 and won't for some time. Still, Apple has reportedly been dumping millions of dollars daily into its own Ajax AI model that it apparently thinks it's more powerful than even GPT-4. Google and Microsoft have each been expanding the use of AI in their productivity tools, and Google wants to use generative AI in Google Assistant. Amazon also has a generative AI initiatives underway across its organization that could yield a chatbot-powered Alexa. There were similar worries when it was claimed that the company was planning to launch its own AI chatbots with personalities, and its latest move will likely prompt comparable concerns. Indeed, there are so many potential negative consequences of the current AI craze that numerous prominent technologies signed an open letter pleading with companies to abstain from developing anything more powerful than GPT-4. At the same time, the world catches up with the implications that has been brushed aside. Will any company put societal cohesion and well-being ahead of the huge profits that could be reaped from this new AI world? The answer in Meta's case is apparently no. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments section below. If you liked today's video, then leave a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. See you again soon in another video.